Welcome or welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be installing the Itechworld 40 amp control hub kit. Before we get started, I'm going to run you through what's in the kit. So the main power of the show is the Itechworld 200 SS lithium battery with Bluetooth connectivity, 200 amps of power, and this will slot right in really nicely into the car. We've also got the Itechworld Control Hub with the 40 amp DCDC charger. It's got rocker switches for all your accessories. It's also got two 12 volt outlets, one USB. It's then got USB-C and fast charging USB there. It's got all your fuses, and it's also got a display screen for your state of charge. Now, how are we going to connect that all up? We've got a wiring kit. This comes pre-installed with a 3-piece Anderson plug. Now what that does is that goes right into the side of your box here, your control hub, making it really easy to install. All you have to do is connect it up to your main battery in your car. We've also got these cables, wiring cables, to be able to connect these two up together. Now, full disclaimer, I'm no auto sparky. Not even a tradie, but this kit makes it really simple for anyone to be able to put it in. So if you are worried about anything to do with connecting it up or not really confident, then I would go to an expert. One little thing that I'd like to add to this video is that I'm only able to do this because when we started traveling, I did a lot of the installs, which made me much more confident to put it all in. So that's one tip, is if you're going to go and do a trip, do it all yourself, or do as much as you can yourself. So if something breaks down out there, you know how to fix it. First things first is what I'm going to do is I'm going to install both of these before I connect them up. That's going to make it easier to know where my length of wire is. Rightio, so this is going to sit up here. It is 25 kilos, so make sure wherever you do put it that it's probably supported, because 25 kilos is a fair bit. The good thing is though, if it was an AGM, it would be a lot more. Rightio, time for the control hub. To access the holes at the back of the control hub, we just need to take the top off. As simple as 4 screws. They give you this Allen key for it. One thing is, don't lose the screws. All right, let's put them somewhere safe. I reckon in the skyrocket will be safe enough. Right, as we open it up, we've got all the cabling there. Nice thick cabling. So we shouldn't have too many problems. As you can see, we've got our 4 holes there and there. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually pop this up and do the exact same thing as we did with the battery, and mark out the holes and take it off, drill the holes and put it back on. All right, so we've got them installed now. And the next thing to do is to wire up the car. Now, we've got this 3-pin Anderson plug. We're going to take that off. We're going to feed it through the firewall into our charger here. Poke a little bit of wire through the grommet. We've attached it up, and now we're going to pull it through.
Is it easy, Isaac?
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
What would you say is the trickiest part?
Just running this through the car. After that, it's going to be a matter of just putting a couple of bolts in.
And is it easy to pull your car apart, or is there lots of screws?
No, it's all just plastic. So we've got the cable running through under this. This plastic will go back on. So I'm just going to put that plastic back on. Cable running through the front seat as well. Same thing, plastic will go back on. Got a little bit of excess here. What I'll do is fold that up so that it's tucked away nicely and we won't see it. Right, now we've got that all connected. What we're going to do now is connect the new battery to the control hub. So we've got our cable. What we're going to do, we're going to go red to red, black to black to join these two up. Now we've got this all wired up, the control hub, time to put onto the battery. If I can find my bloody screws. So we're at 100%. Now we've got to plug in the alternator Anderson plug, see if we fire up. There's the install done. Pretty easy install really for someone who's not a tradie, not an auto sparky. Pretty easy for anyone to do. This is going to change the way we do our full driving. It's going to mean less time worrying about where our power is going to come from and less time worrying about how we're going to charge the batteries that we've got. If you want to see how this system goes, like and subscribe because we're traveling full time and we're going to give it a fair old workout. See you in the next one.